Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it's been so long that I haven't made any sit down video. So today I'll be sharing with you all the hair care products which I use, be it the serum, be it the shampoo, be it the aftercare products for like hair damage. If you have a similar hair type, मेरे जैसा, you can use it. And it's totally ये कोई paid promotion नहीं है guys, मेरे पैसे please. So guys, starting off from the oil, the very basic oil which I have been using since almost like forever now. First it was Grant Rider. I don't know अब वो market में आता है कि नहीं. It was that orange color का oil. Yeah, the best oil जो नहीं मिला है उसके बाद. And the other one which I use is this Bajaj Almond Drops. It's like कुछ तामझाम नहीं है, the best. Like एक ये लौता ऑयल होता था and it is on greasy basically. मैं इसको ऑयल लगा के आई गो आउट ऑल्सो. जब मैं से स्कूल जाती थी तो मैं ऑयल डाल के चली जाती थी एंड वो नहीं पता चलता है. इट्स ओके, इट्स गुड. नेक्स्ट आई हैव इज माई शैम्पू एंड shampoo is basically you should keep changing according to the weather, be it gloomy है या dry है तो बहुत ज़्यादा impact आता है उससे. तो lately I have been using from like 8-9 months this Bare Anatomy का. This is control frizz up to 24 hours. And now ये बारिश का वेदर एंड ऑल में when I stopped using it, I really thought कि चलो I'll try some other shampoo. And I did. And what happened? मेरे इतने बाल टूटे हैं, इतने. And then उसके बाद मैं आ गई back to basic. Then I started applying this. This is Bare Anatomy 5x hair fall control. This one. And it is so good. एक वॉश में लाइक सिंगल वॉश में इट शोज रिजल्ट. एक वॉश में को दिखा इफेक्ट. नॉट इवन एक पूरी बॉटल अभी फुल है और ये ख़त्म ही हो चुकी है. ये इसकी पता नहीं कितनी बॉटल मैंने ख़त्म करी है. सो इट इज़ गुड. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई हैव इज़ द हेयर मास्क एंड इसी का द बेयर एनाटमी hair mask which I use and it is completely finished now. This is smell still इसकी खुशबू आ रही है. It is so good. I just love it when my hair smells nice. I just love it. And when people compliment you that your hair is looking good and your hair is smelling good, so that is the you don't find this and then use this. This is Pantene का silky smooth conditioner. It is nice. It is very nice. Because अभी जो weather हो रहा है, it is very gloomy. It is really not weather कि आप ऐसे conditioner लगाओ. You just आप conditioner लगा के जाओ बस बाहर, पता चलेगा आपको. You will get to know. एक दिन में बाल oily होके जो वापस आओगे ना, प्लीज़ मत ही लगाना. इफ़ यू आर इन महाराष्ट्र, बैंगलोर, पुणे, जस्ट डोंट. लगा भी रहे हो तो लाइक वेरी थोड़ा सा जो आप हमारा कॉइन साइज अमाउंट से भी थोड़ा. द नेक्स्ट विच आई यूज इज माई हेयर सीरम. इफ टू बी एंड इन माई कॉलेज लाइफ पूरे 4 साल इन स्कूल आई यूज टू यूज लिवॉन. Guys, please comment down below Livon OG. Then in college I started using this Streaks ka hair serum and this is very nice. In whole like my 4 years of college I've used this only. And then this is Biolage ka smoothing and control fizz hair serum. This is also good. This acts as a heat protectant also. So if you are looking for दोनों से एक तो प्लीज़ both are good. This is more affordable. This is for like how much, I'll tell you. This is for 140, whereas this is for 350, so you can choose accordingly. The next thing which I use is the heat protectant. It is very important because when we are working and when we are in college, when we don't have time to sit and air dry हमारे बाल, तो we use dryer, we use heat. Do need, guys, please invest in one good hair heat protectant, please. Every girl should have it. And मैंने बहुत लेट रियलाइज़ किया है. Earlier I used to just straighten my hair every single day, and I used to not like use this heat protectant, and उसका मेरे को देना पड़ा भाई अच्छा खासा. फिर ये इनको वापस रिपेयर करने में भी टाइम लगा. सो द हीट प्रोटेक्टेड विच आई रिकमेंड गाइज, दिस इज़ दी बेस्ट. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, इफ़ आई एम सेइंग दी बेस्ट मतलब मैं उसकी 2-4 बॉटलें ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. एंड I am a very fidgety person. I am very indecisive. I don't stick to one product. I keep on trying new products. I keep on changing things. If I don't like it like in one use, then I'll change it. But if I am sticking to like एक चीज़, then it really means that is good. Please. So this is Stick का heat protects as a serum also. आपको ये लगाने के बाद आफ्टर उसमें कोई सीरम यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And guys, this is the product and I've almost finished it. बस कि मैंने ढक्कन खो दिया है यार. एक तो मेरी लाइफ में ढक्कन नहीं टिक पाते हैं यार. And this is for like $2.99. It is quite affordable and it is pretty much long lasting. I have been using this since like हो गए मेरे को 8-9 months हो गए and it is still है अभी. Just apply it on your damn hair, then you can dry your hair, so you're good to go. And one more thing which I want to share it with you is, if you are having hair fall, first use this. And with this also, just there is one spray, so good guys. आपको कुछ और नहीं चाहिए. जितने मार्केट में हेयर ग्रोथ सिरप वगैरह है उनसे दिस इज बेस्ट. Like personal recommendation, and it is not at all sponsored. Nothing इसमें कुछ भी sponsored नहीं है. It is, these are the products which I use on my daily basis, and this is sunflower का rosemary water. I have started applying it और अभी मेरे को 2-3 बार ही हुए हैं and it is very good. This is the product. This is sunflower rosemary water with mint hair strengthening. So you don't have to do anything. Just before every day, just dab it. 5 मिनट छोड़ दो, ये सूख जाएगा and you don't have to do anything. Then style it normally जैसे आपको अपने बाल करने हैं ना, you're good to go. And it works. It does. Please. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. Do like, comment, share and subscribe with your girlies. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.